Good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tasipsa, my dear students, and today we are going to learn what new exercise. Exercise number 9C. Okay. What we have started in last lecture. Last lecture we have started measuring of what? Measuring of mass. Okay. So we are going to related to this exercise measuring of mass. Now we move on further. So maths chapter number 9. First of all, you take out your book, my dear students. Take out your book and note down these things, all my dear students. Okay, what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn exercise number 9C. So now put heading here. Exercise number 9C. Okay, so exercise number 9C, question number 1. Okay, so here I am writing the mark the letters. Mark the list number of weight required, number of WEIGHT weight required. Okay, so we are going to learn this question. Note down this all things, my dear students. Note down this all things, my dear, and then we will move on further. I hope you all understood what I am telling you, my dear students. That is important for us, this question. So you properly note down in your book. Now I am writing this all things here. Question number A first. Question number A first. Okay. So first is 750 gram. Then after, what we are all students, then after 2 kilogram, then after 1 kilogram, then after 500 gram, again 215 gram, then after 100 gram, okay, and then after again 2 times 100 grams, 100 grams. Is this your question? First you note down and think with writing. Okay, all. What we have to do? Mark the latest number of the weight required. So now first of all you note down these all things, my dear students. Got my points, my dear students? We have to make a 750 grams. So how we will make, my dear students? 750 grams. So first of all, how many grams we want? 700. So we take the 500. So I am taking here the 500 grams. Then after, how many? Directly I am taking 215. 215 grams. So what will happen here? It's G. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So answer is what? 750. Okay, we want this. This is our question. It is a book weight. Weight of book. In your textbook. Okay, I hope you are understood, my dear students. So note down these things all, my dear. Then after we will move on further, my dear. What is this question number M? Weight of book 750 grams. So first option is 200, 100, 2 kg, 1 kg, 500 grams, 215 grams, 215 grams, 100 grams, again 100 grams and 100 grams. So how we will make a 715 grams? See, this is a, what my dear students, see, this is a what? It's a, we have to make these things. So my dear students, now we will move on to question number B. I am writing here the question number 2 for you all. You have to written with me. Okay dear, so I am writing these all things here for you. Here is the vegetable basket or fruit basket. Fruit basket and its weight 2 kilogram 600 grams. So how many options we have? 2 kg, 1 kg, 500 grams, 215 grams, 215 grams, then 100 gram, again 100 gram, 100 gram. So first of all, you note down this question and try to solve this question. Here we have a fruit basket and its weight is 2 kilogram 600. So we have to make this weight as a form of the addition as like that. Okay, we have to make 2 kilogram 600 grams. Okay, got my points, my dear students? You have to write the compulsory all things in your book. So my dear students, now we think about the fruit basket. It's 260 grams. How many? 2 kilograms and 600 grams. 200 means 2 kilograms and 600 grams. How many, my dear students? Again I repeat for you. Fruit basket 2 kilograms and 600 grams. So we have to divide into those given options. 2 kilogram, 1 kilogram. See, this is all option, my dear students. We have to make a 2 kilogram 600 grams. So how we will make, my dear students? Okay, so 2 kilogram. So it's 2 kilogram. 2 kg. How we will make the 600, my dear students? So 500. See, I am this taking, and this I am taking. Okay, and then after, my dear students, 500 gram and 100 gram. So it's divided into the which 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5 plus 1, 6 gram. Understood? So answer is what? 2 kg 600 gram. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. You have to ask like that. But in exam only options will become. So you have to choose only option. You have to do the practice in your rough. Got my points, my dear students? So now note down this answer and try to think further question. Directly we will move on to question number 3, my dear students. Question number 3 is been have there 3 kilogram and 250 gram. 3 kilogram and 250 gram. So what you have to do? You have to think about this question, okay? And try it as a form of test. You have to try to at your home in your rough book. Directly we will move on to question number. Where we will move question number 2. Okay, so now first of all note down the question number 2 and its answer, and then we will move on further, my dear. So you note down these all things, my dear. Then we will move on for the fruit basket. Its weight is 2 kilogram, 600 grams. Okay, its option is 2 kilogram, 1 kilogram, 500 grams, 250 grams, 100 grams, again 100 grams, and again 100 grams. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood better. Then further is the next question is what? Question number 2. So now we write the instructions of question number 2. Here we will write the instructions of question number 2. How many more? Question number 2. How many more gram to make 1 kilogram. Understood, my dear students? How many more gram to make 1 kilogram? So if this is the question number 2, you have to write with me, my dear students. How many more gram to make a kilogram? Got my points, my dear students? So here we will write the question and then we will try to solve this answer. Question number 1, 800 gram, okay, plus dash is equal to 1 kg. So we have to make a 1 kg. So how we will make a 1 kg? You have to remember this measurement chart. What I written here, 100 grams, 200 grams. Okay, got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here, so it's 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, 2 kilogram is equal to 2000 gram. As like that chart you have to remember. So we are using here the chart, and then after we is going to solving this all answer. Okay. So now I am writing here the answer. 800 gram plus 200 grams. Okay, 1000 grams. So how many kilograms? 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So 1000 grams. So our answer is what, my dear students? Answer is C. This is our answer. Got my points, my dear students? This is our answer. Now we move on question number B. So what is the question number B? 600 gram. What, my dear students? 600 gram plus dash is equal to 1 kilogram. Dash is equal to 1 kilogram. So here is what, my dear students? 600 gram plus how many we want? So it's making a 1 kilogram. How many we make? So it's make a 1 kilogram. How many? 400. Okay, so answer is 400. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 1000 gram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So answer is what? 400 grams. Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So now we not done this both sum. Okay, I am writing here the question number 3. Question number 3 is what? 300 gram plus 300 gram plus is equal to 1 kilogram. Got my points, my dear students? So here we will write all these 300 grams. Okay, and then 700 gram. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So 10. Okay, means it's 100 gram. So answer is what? 700 gram. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So means it's 1000. Answer is C. This is answer what? You have to write in your book. Got my points, my dear students? Understood all of you all what I am telling you here? Okay, so you have to write these all things in your book properly. My dear students, neat and clean work I want. So you try to make it properly with a good presentation. Good, my points, my dear students, what I am telling you, understood? So you have to write this all things. Okay. So first of all, question number 8 means we have to find the between blanks. Okay, we have to find the between blanks. And then after you have done in your rough books, then after you have to write in your fair book, my dear students, after completing this lecture. My dear students, now I hope you have done. I hope you have done. Okay. So then we will move on further, my dear students. Question number 3. Okay, but before starting question number 3, we have to complete what? Further question. Okay, you write a question number C, A, B or C. Again, my dear students, and I'll do explanation again for you, my dear students. And next topic, next concept is what? Measurement of capacity. Okay, measurement of capacity. What is the capacity? In next lecture, I'm going to teach you. In next lecture is what is the capacity, and you have to write the capacity. Good my point, my dear students. What I am telling you here, you have to write this all things in your book. So my dear students, you have to do the compulsory making a fair book. Okay? And so many students are not sending me a homework in my WhatsApp. So what about for other students? Okay, my dear students, so now we will move for the question number 4. Okay, in next lecture we are going to learn question number 3. It's a very large and what? It's large and a table type question. Complicated like a question. So we are no more time. So we are going to learn to the next lecture. Directly we are starting here the question number 4. Question number 4A. People are allowed to carry 20 kg of luggage on a plane. Okay, how many kg can 5 people carry? Is this the question? Okay, and how we will solve, my dear students? I hope you all remember what is the step of problem solving. So we have to first read, understand, and then after write the data and then try to solve it. People are allowed to carry means we have to carry. People are allowed to carry. Which kg means carry a 20 kilograms of a luggage. What, my dear students? People are allowed to carry a 20 kilogram of luggage on a plane. How many kilograms can a 5 people carry? So what we have to do? We have to do the division. We have to divide. Okay, this 20 kilograms is divided into the 5 people. What here we will do? Here we will going to do division. Okay, first of all write the data. 5 people. How many people? 5 people. And how many weight? 20 kilograms luggage. Understood all? 20 kilograms luggage. So what we have to do 20 divided by 5. Got my points? 20 divided by 5. So in table number 5, 20 will come. Okay, my dear students, what we have to do? Okay, sorry, we have to do the multiplication. Okay, what my dear students, we have to do the check first division. So 5 4s are 20. So it's the 4 people. What is the 4 people? See, 4 people. So we cannot apply this method. We have 5 people. Okay, so 4 kilo, 4 kilo, my dear students. How many? 4 kilo. 4 5s are 20. As like that. Okay, 4 5s are 20. Understood, my dear students? So answer is what? 20. Okay, so 4 5s are 20. So 4 is our answer. 4 kilograms. 4 kilogram carry how many kilograms? 4 kilograms. Understood? So now you are not done this answer, my dear, in your book properly. So my dear students, you do the all things properly. Okay, so is this clear for you? Now other method I am going to teach you multiplication. Is the right answer? Multiplication. So 20 divided by 5. So 25s are 6. 5 zeros are 0. 5 2s are 10. So 10 of 0 and here is 0. Sorry, otherwise we cannot put the carry. Directly write. So answer is what coming? 100. So what? 100 kilograms. Okay, to carry the each 5 people. Got my points? This is the second answer. You note down this all things, my dear students. Okay, then after we will move on further, my dear students. So my dear students, now today's homework is what? Exercise number 9C, question number 1, 2 and question number 4. Okay, understood all of you? So you have to write this all things today. Understood? Got my points properly? Write in your file book or rough. Understood? Thank you so much all of you watching this video. Thank you all.